some goals that we had for the last offsite last year. Number one, to have one format of budget input received from each fuel terminal for the budget proposal. Pretty much like I reported like last March and actually didn't take over for the budget until around June. But I got to notice that for each terminal that submitted their budget proposals, like everybody was just throwing in information left and right, and there wasn't like a uniform budget format that the DESC now requires for us to submit to them. Number two, to expedite the processing of budget input gathered from each fuel terminal for Code 700 to NOLS. As you know, like the budget proposal, we review and then we submit to NOLS. They're the ones who have final approval before they forward it to DESC, before they grant us our money. To be more specific, in justifying equipment requests, that's dealing with non-capital equipment, and $1,000 of fuel operating budget. That's only reimbursable, not counting direct. And for fiscal year 08, pretty much like the deputy director has already like thrown in there a 5% increase across the board. So right now we're
blame me.
Is that my pay fee?
Yeah, blame me.
We're asking right now for a 5.7 million funding for the upcoming fiscal year, and we'll go into a little bit more detail on that later. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, like we're gonna also talk a little about the status of funds report. These reports, or like these figures, are generated pretty much like with my my Jedi Master right here. He's like the Yoda financials.
Sensei.
Yeah, my sensei is like Takanashi-san is actually the brains behind the budget. I mean, that's why I told you guys like.